Tara,
Ha?
pasok.
Sige lang, dito lang muna ako.
Goods ka na o may sasabihin ka ba?
Goods na, goods na.
Totoo. Thanks, man.
Mag-a-adjust talaga lahat.
Na yun nga, na sobrang protective natin over what we have. Tapos kung may threat or kung may something that affects even just one of us na nasa grupo natin, parang tayo lahat we're gonna be like, oh,
It's not a negative na parang ayaw natin sa kanya. It's more so we're very careful lang. Kasi I don't want to get tagged as a bully. Neither do any of us. So just to be safe. Ganun talaga. The solution, the way I see it is, yeah, we have to get to know him again slowly and slowly. Pero hindi mo yan mararush. Mahirap talaga yun.
Yun nga
Lalo
sabi
na
ko sa
ngayon
kanya.
na yung trust issues nating lahat, ang lala.
so ang dami na natin kasing pinagdaanan na ganun eh. Na biglang nale-left out kasi whatever reason. Tapos, like as much as we wanna try and include them, paano? Kasi tayo naman din, hindi natin alam kung paano i-approach yung situation, kung tama ba na, wala, ewan ko, it's different na. Again, it's all about dynamics naman.
Yun nga din sabi ko, ayoko ipilit na maging okay. Process talaga. Gusto ko lang iklaro yung nafe-feel ko sa kanya. So, sobrang bigat sa pakiramdam.
It's just the reality of this situation. That people have their own comfort zones and comfort people.
Yeah.
That it's kind of hard to expect as much as we want to try. Hindi man yan sila nag-team up tayo eh.
Oh, hindi
It's not
yun
even about
talaga.
that.
Hindi tayo nag-team up talaga.
Meron lang kasi tayong different level of bond. Siguro na kahit mag-joke, nagkakaintindihan pa rin. But yun, minsan with other people, that's why we're careful na when it comes to other people.
Yun nga, yun pala sabi niya, hindi pa daw niya gets yung humor dito.
Si Emilio din naman, same time sila pumasok eh.
Ano?
And he's been able to understand the situation na ganun talaga.
Yeah.